Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore softening and staying grounded and present when chaos arises around us. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Let your back lengthen up from your sitting bones through the crown of your head. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. And gently close your eyes. And begin to deepen your breath. As you inhale, invite your whole self into this practice. As you exhale, softening and letting go of what you don't need to carry with you into this practice. Inhaling, invite your body, your heart, your mind into this practice. Exhale, let go of judgments, labels, distractions. Now, let your breath settle back to its natural rhythm. Simply stay present with the sensations of breathing in and breathing out. And take a moment to notice where you feel your breath at its strongest. Perhaps you'll notice the belly expanding and releasing. Or you'll observe the rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. You might feel the breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. Wherever the sensations are clearest, let your awareness rest there. With a sense of simplicity and ease, keep following each and every breath. Stay with the sensations at the spot you've chosen and watch the spontaneous and ongoing inflow and outflow as you continue to effortlessly breathe in and out. As you sit quietly with your breathing, it's normal that thoughts or emotions arise. So rather than getting frustrated or judgmental, imagine yourself as an observer, noticing your thoughts and emotions come and go. Without getting involved and without pushing anything away, simply note the sensations and emotions as they come and go. Pleasant or unpleasant, just make room for your experience and allow everything to flow through you. And even if you have to do it 100 times, lovingly come back to the breath flowing in and flowing out. And now, let your attention gently widen. Life can take unexpected and chaotic turns at the flip of a switch. Our water pipe breaks, and we're left with a flooded basement and an unexpected expensive bill. Our partner lands a job across the country, and we're abruptly packing up all our belongings. And beyond these unpredictable events, our day-to-day lives are filled with a constant influx of information and requests, political instability, environmental issues, and ongoing change. This can leave us confused, unnerved, and upset. With so much thrown at us all at once, it's no surprise that powerful emotions like anger or fear can get the best of us. The thing is, chaotic times can also serve as a wake-up call if we learn to pause and listen. So rather than repressing our emotions when they arise, the best thing we can do is accept them and try to understand where they're coming from. From this place of acknowledgement, we might catch a glimpse of stillness and tap into the calm beneath the chaos. And in these brief moments of peace, we can think with more clarity and choose our actions with more wisdom and insight. So the next time you find yourself overwhelmed by the chaos around you, take a few moments to tune in. Notice what's present, whether it's anger, irritation, fear, or confusion. Let it spark the flames of compassion and awareness so that you can take deliberate and mindful steps in the direction that's right for you. Now take a couple of deep, cleansing breaths. Slow, mindful inhales and exhales. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. See you again soon.